The next performer is a first-time performer, and she's come all the way from Karjat. So her welcome is supposed to be in the same energy that we started from. Okay? क्योंकि उनका नाम ही बहुत poetic है. Give it up for Tanha Pardeshi.
Thank you. Yeah, so as you all know that this is my first time, so I'll just start. Just a background that I am a very big fan of people who can sing or play any musical instrument, but I cannot. So this poetry is about that. Mountains, music, and me. I'm going to tell you my story of the mountains. They say when the mountains call, you must go, so I went. I'm going to tell you how my inability to play any musical instrument led me to the mountains. So this is a story that lives in poetry. A story of fixing a heart that once broke. For 2 years, I misplaced my heart for a love that let us part. My heart felt like a guitar out of tune, strummed by the past, its notes in ruin. Funny how I don't play the guitar, but I wish that I did. Because then I would have tuned it and healed my heart from where it hid. I have lived through the pain on those endless nights when I believed only love could be my guiding light. But emotions are twisted, they give no clue, like a harmonica's tune, bittersweet and blue. Funny how I don't play the harmonica, but I wish that I did. Because then I could have breathed out my grief, its melody, a soft healing relief. I'm still his favorite, he's still mine. Love doesn't end just because our destiny didn't align. Now it travels the world with me in my shadow's company, while it also awaits at home, like a violin on my window rests silently. Funny how I don't even have a violin, but I wish that I did. Because then I would have drawn the bow and freed the love by letting it go. Though apart, our hearts still beat as one, bound by a love that will never be undone. In the quiet moments, like a flute's sigh, memories replay and our love will never die. Funny how I don't play the flute as well, but I wish that I did. Because then I could have let its airy notes heal my spirit and lift my hopes. In the silence of heartache, I longed for one beat, some rhythm to march to, some music on repeat. Like a drum that thunders in the midst of a storm, I would have wished for its power to keep my heart warm. Funny how I don't play the drums as well, but I wish that I did. I have never even really liked how drums sound, but maybe it could have turned my life around. We loved with all we had, everything we were, and everything we'll ever be. There was a time life felt like a rainbow with colors so bright, until it all faded to just blacks and whites, like beneath the dust a piano awaits with a tune just not right. Funny how I don't play the piano as well, but I wish that I did. Because then I wouldn't have just tried on 4 strings of violin, 5 pieces of drum, 6 strings of guitar, 6 holes of flute, 12 holes of harmonica, but 88 damn keys of a piano to set my sorrow free. Since I don't play these instruments, my pain they couldn't heal. So I went and chose the mountain song to rediscover where I belong. Now I let the mountains take over the listening, edges pulled tight against the sky, glistening. Something tuned by a force that I didn't command, holding a note without asking for my hand. The forest doesn't scare, it breathes, a quiet feeling moving through the trees. Sounds of patience scream and hush, like grief learning how not to rush. The air learns my name, passes through me slowly and still stays the same. It leaves without breaking anything in me, without asking me who I am meant to be. The river doesn't rush. It moves with me slowly, bending around stones, watching me closely. It stays beside every turn I don't see and reminds my heart it's allowed to be free. At night, the dark arranges itself, layer by layer, until silence feels deliberate, as if the world finally knows where to place its weight. I may never learn to sing or play an instrument, but I travel to places where sound is born. And my heart no longer asks to be fixed, not because it's healed, but because it learned how to hold both echo and the fall. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That was a first time performance, guys. मैं घर चला जाता हूँ फिर मैं क्या करूँ? The beauty of art is not just art itself, but also the craft of it, right? It's how beautifully you craft something you've thought, है ना? The difference between writing inside a diary and writing a poem, it's a difference. That what you write for yourself and what you craft to perform. I think she deserves another applaud. Wonderful. मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर घर में एक पोएट भी होना चाहिए, है ना?